Hello and welcome to our last Making Music before the summer holidays.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Today is a really important Making Music because it's all about Year 6 leavers moving on to high school. Over the past few weeks I've been working with a number of Year 6s in different schools and we've been coming up with a leavers song. I've been inundated with lyric ideas, song ideas and even some fully fledged songs which students have sent in. I've tried to include as many of them as I can and I've pieced them together and turned them into a song. I'd like to mention in particular the Year 6 Bubbles at Spring Hill Primary School in Accrington, who not only composed some of the song but also sang on the recording, and also to the children at Barnacre Road Primary School in Longridge, who sent in some brilliant lyric ideas. A special shout out goes to the wonderfully talented Abby Mulcahy, who wrote a fantastic leavers song with her dad John, and also her vocals feature on this recording. Enjoy.
I'm gonna let myself down, I'm gonna pick myself up, pour some positivity into that cup. It's time to leave school this time because I'm moving on. I'm a Year 6 leader and I'm proud of it today. I got some good memories that I keep in my mind. This school really is just one of a kind. There were changes and challenges, but we were in the flow. I'm a Year 6 leader and I'm proud of it today. High school's coming, we got to get going. High school's coming, high school's coming. We got goals and we're gonna get them. We do, all but primary school. I'm gonna miss ya. I'm excited to say goodbye. Sad to say goodbye. It's our time to go far, far,